Hello, welcome. I am Affirmations. These are very powerful affirmations that will make a lasting change in your brain if you listen them again and again and again. That's good. Follow me and carefully repeat after me, or you can write these affirmations. I am valuable. I am abundant. I am powerful. I am optimistic. I am magnificent. I am successful. I am unstoppable. I am prosperous. I am courageous. I am beautiful. I am resourceful. I am confident. I am kind. I am grateful. I am patient. I am strong. I am unique. I am happy. I am confident. I am healthy. I am proud. I am resourceful. I am focused. I am positive. I am unstoppable. I am happy. I am healthy. I am lovable. I am resourceful. I am focused. I am hard worker. I am confident. I am powerful. I am competent. I am intelligent. I am confident. I am powerful. I am intelligent. I am resourceful. I am happy. I am happy. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am resourceful. I am peaceful. I am humble. I am patient. I am beautiful. I am spiritual. I am intelligent. I am divine wisdom. I am wise. I am kind. I am complete. I am resourceful. I am creative. I am abundant. I am excellent learner. I am resourceful. I am in love with myself. I am hard worker. I am committed. I am respectful. I am resourceful. I am blessed. I am magic. I am generous. I am worthy. I am abundant. I am love. I am alive. I am resourceful. I am full of life. I am love. I am creative. I am happy. I am yes to me. I am a yes to me. I am love. I am patient. I am kind. I am resourceful. I am confident. I am lovable. I am valuable. I am grateful. I am beautiful. I am amazing. I am generous. I am positive energy. I am resourceful. I am happy. I am grateful. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am positive. I am strong. I am courageous. I am loved. I am beautiful. I am grateful. I am amazing. I am wonderful. I am healthy. I am smart. I am intelligent. I am smart. I am intelligent. Thank you for listening these affirmations. Subscribe to this channel and listen these affirmations again and again. Thank you so much.